Hey besties, welcome to another wonderful video. It's Aniki Stitches here. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber or a returning viewer, thank you for sticking to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to cut this simple gown with a stylish neckline, a kimono sleeve or cut together sleeve, and a drawstring at the waist. So guys, keep watching and let's get into it. So here, I've gone ahead to fold my fabric into four because it's not going to have a joining at the shoulder. Now I'm going to mark the length of the gown, the bust point, the waistline, also the hip line. So this is me marking the bust line, the waistline, also the half length, and the hip line. I'm also going to extend the lines to the other side of the fabric. So I'm going to mark my bust circumference, the waist and the hip. Because this is a free gown, I use the hip measurement divided by 4 for the body. It can be different for some people because we have different types of body shape. Some people's bust is wider or bigger than their hip. So if your bust is bigger than your hip, you just use your bust circumference divided by 4 for the body. Now I'm just going to roll it straight down to the hemline. Now for the sleeve, I measured my shoulder measurement first. My shoulder divided by 2. Then I now continue to measure the sleeve length. So whatever you want your sleeve to be, that's what you mark. And also for the round sleeve here, it can be 10 inches or above. Now for the armhole, if your armhole is smaller than the round sleeve, you can go ahead and reduce it at the armhole side. That's where I marked my bust circumference measurement. You can go ahead and reduce it from there, and it's just going to give you a slant shape to the sleeve length. For the neck, I used 4 by 4 for the neck measurement, 4 for the width and 4 for the length, and I'm just going to give it a good curve. After that, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out. I'm also going to cut the neck out. Please be careful while you are cutting this, so you don't cut the back and the front together. So for the neck, I use 4 by 4 for the front and 4 by 1 for the back. Now we are done for the body. So this is me marking out the measurements for the drawstring. So for the front, I gave it a slight V shape for the stylish look. This brings us to the end of today's tutorial. If this was helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next one. Bye.